Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today's recipe is Panjeri. If you're craving something sweet and need a snack to satisfy your sweet tooth, then a bowl full of nutritious and healthy Panjeri is the great option. This classic winter dish is prepared by roasting cashew nuts, almonds, pistachios, macana, dates, dry figs, flour, and semolina and coconut pieces in ghee or clarified butter. But I have dry roasted all the ingredients without ghee or clarified butter and added jaggery powder to the mixture. The best part is that this recipe can be made in big batches and stored to be used later as a quick daily snack along with warm milk. It is eaten mainly in the winter season as it is known to help in keeping the body warm with its heat generating ingredients. It is dry, crumbly, and coarse in texture. Panjeri is easy to make, although it takes some time to come together. Most of the effort is put into the roasting process, but the end product is worth all the efforts. Stay healthy and stay active. Happy cooking!